think controlling their money means giving up everything they enjoy. But smart money spending isn't about restriction, it's about intention. When we spend without a plan, money disappears fast. That's when stress, guilt, and paycheck-to-paycheck living begin. Smart spending means knowing where your money goes. Start by covering your needs, saving for the future, and then leaving room for enjoyment without overspending. It's not about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to what truly matters. When your spending matches your goals, you feel in control, not restricted. Spend smart, live well.